Hazrat Salman Farsi, may Allah be pleased with him, used to say that I laugh at three people and cry at three things. First, I laugh at the man who is hoping for the world, even though death is looking for him. Second, on the man who is lying in negligence and he is not being neglected. That means the angels are writing down his every bad deed and he will be rewarded for every deed. Thirdly, at the laugher who does not know whether he is pleased or displeased his Lord. And three things make me cry. The first thing is the separation of the beloved friends, namely Hazrat Muhammad, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, and his congregation. Second, the horror of the scenes of the hereafter seen in the throes of death. Third, standing before Allah, the Lord of the worlds, while I do not know whether I will go to hell or heaven. Hazrat Salman Farsi, may Allah be pleased with him, said, when Allah intends evil and death for a servant, then he removes his modesty. The result of this is that you will see that people hate him and he also hates people. When he becomes like this, then mercy and compassion are removed from him. The result of which is that you will see that he has become ill-mannered, ill-tempered, and hard-hearted. When it becomes like this, then the attribute of trustworthiness is taken away from it. The result of which is that you will see that he betrays people and people betray him. When he becomes like this, then the belt of Islam is removed from his neck, and then Allah and his creatures curse him and he also curses others. Hazrat Salman Farsi, may Allah be pleased with him, said that the example of a believer in this world is like that of a sick person whose doctor is with him, who knows both his illness and its treatment. When his heart desires something that will harm his health, the physician forbids him from it and tells him not to go near it, because if you eat it, it will kill you. Similarly, the physician keeps him away from harmful things. He even becomes completely healthy and his illness is over. Similarly, the heart of a believer desires many worldly things which have been given to others more than him, but Allah forbids him from them until death and keeps these things away from him, and Allah admits him to paradise after death.